The key to good rice and peas, it's all in the method. Let me show you how I make my Jamaican style rice and peas. Fluffy, flavorful, and delicious. Step 1. Rinse and oil the rice. Start with 2 cups of jasmine rice. Rinse it a couple times to remove the excess starch, then drain well. Coat the rice with 2 tablespoons of melted butter or coconut oil. This helps it to stay fluffy and separate while steaming. Step 2. Build the pot. Add the oiled rice to your pot first, then stir in 1.5 cups of cooked peas and 3 tablespoons of coconut milk powder. Mix gently, then pour 2.25 cups of the peas water or plain water and then stir again. Step 3. Add flavor. 2 whole Scotch bonnets going in, don't burst them. Diced scallions, a few sprigs of thyme, 4 cloves of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon sugar and a chunk of ginger, and about 5 to 6 pimento berries. You're gonna use 2 teaspoons of salt, just enough to make the water taste like the ocean. Step 4, color boost. And this is totally optional. But to deepen the color of your rice and peas, consider adding half to 1 teaspoon browning, or blend 1/4 cup of the cooked peas with 1/2 cup of the water and turn it into a puree, then stir it in. Step 5, final mix and steam. Stir everything together well and taste the liquid and adjust the seasoning if needed. Bring to a boil, then cover and steam on low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the rice is tender and fluffy. Once done, fluff with a fork and remove the Scotch bonnets, pimento or thyme stems. And that's your perfect Jamaican rice and peas. Fragrant, creamy, yet fluffy and full of soul. Follow me for more bold, reliable recipes broken down so you can actually master them. Bye!